it's your girl Deja Nikira. This video is a vlog tutorial watch video. I don't know how to explain it, but I ordered hair and I got me some microlinks, right? So I got me 200 grams of microlinks, and it comes with this so that you can easily slip the hair on without using like the bead threader type thing. So this made it super convenient, easy to do it on yourself. So I got me 200 grams. I think each box is 100 grams. So I got me 2 boxes, and the length 18. They're micro loop hair extensions. They're 18 inches and they're 100 grams, and it's 1 gram strands. So pretty much like 200. I have about like 170 strands in my head right now. So I did my micro links, and I wanted to film the process kinda because it was interesting, but the whole having the like setup was complicated because again, I was doing it on myself. My mom braided the perimeter of my hair for me, sectioned it off, she braided it up, and then I was going in and just parting the hair, doing sections. So I have clips of videos of that, and I'm gonna explain that, and then we're gonna get into styling this hair. So we're gonna see how maintenance goes when I need to tighten up my micro links and wash my hair and straighten it again. So we're gonna see. So I'm definitely gonna make a very detailed video about that, but right now we're just gonna get into styling my micro links. So I'm not trying to go over my leave out for real. So how it is how it is. But and don't mind the fact that some of it is still this brown red, because when I dyed my hair, I completely did not part my leave out and do like section by section. So I pretty much dyed the outer sides of it black and literally not the part, like the area that needs to be dyed. But at this point, it is what it is, and it's gonna stay there until I take it up, because I'm not going through that process again. I think that's as straight as it's gonna get. So I have a chromodome. All pretty girls have big foreheads, so it doesn't matter. But I wanted to give my skin high-key a break from frontals and stuff, and I said, well, why not just try microlinks? And it's cold enough so my hair is natural, has no heat, no chemicals, none of that in it. It's natural, so it does revert, and it's kind of it's cold. It's cold in New York. It's gonna be a brutal winter. I feel it. So I said, well, you know, I can do it now. My hair won't revert. So I'm going to gently just brush this out, and then I'm just gonna curl it. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna curl it. Okay, the truth is I loved my micro links, but the maintenance is kind of a lot because I do sweat in my scalp a lot, so my hair was reverting, and I have 4C, very kinky textured hair, and to just continuously blow dry or blow out my hair and try to straighten it is just not the wave. So I love the style, but it's definitely not something that I would do all the time. But the total installation took me about 3.5 hours, and as you can see, this is what it's like in its natural state. So my hair is just blowing out, and the micro links are still in its kinky straight texture. So I'm doing a ponytail test, so you can see, you know, the perimeter's covered, everything's good. And then eventually I blow dried the entire head, straightened it, and now I'm curling and adding some layers to the hair. So I didn't film a maintenance video only because I took the micro links out at 2.5 weeks because I was getting bored with my hair. I like to switch it up, and it was too much hair to braid up underneath my wigs for me. But removal was extremely easy. I had minimal to almost no type of breakage at all. I think micro links look freaking cute on me, so I'm definitely going to do this again. And when I do, I will actually try to leave them in longer to do a maintenance video and all that good stuff for you guys.